If someone comes in and the concern is they're bleeding to death, they have to be taken care of very quickly.
It was day 2 of the trial for a man who's been charged with sexually assaulting a woman and leaving her with life-threatening injuries. The lawyer for Michael HIROKAWA is telling a different story than the one the victim is telling. KITV4's Ali Iduklo spoke today to legal experts who weighed in on the conflicting accounts.
The woman claims HIROKAWA attacked her, but HIROKAWA argues the woman drugged him. One attorney tells me it'll all boil down to credibility when it comes to the jury's decision-making.
It's an outrageous defense that this woman drugged and beat up the defendant. However, if the jury believes the defendant, then it's possible the jury could find him not guilty of attempted murder.
Attorneys add in cases like this, jurors often change their mind throughout the trial as they're presented with more and more evidence. So far, the prosecution has detailed the extensive injuries the woman endured after the incident. The defense claiming because HIROKAWA was allegedly drugged, he does not remember much of the incident and felt his own life was in danger. HIROKAWA has been in and remains under house arrest after posting $500,000 bail. House arrest is unusual in these types of cases. Other defendants who typically can't afford bail are kept in jail.
It's not fair for the government to come back and say, oh, well, now we're going to try to increase his bail. That's not fair.
Experts say judges typically try to keep jurors from knowing a defendant's bail and confinement status so as to not influence their verdict.
What you don't want to have is you don't want to have the defense attorney saying, hey, my client was under house arrest all this time. So it just shows that he must not have been very dangerous if that was the case.
If convicted, HIROKAWA could be sentenced to life in prison. Ali Iduklo, KITV4 Island News.